What's up, guys? Welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt, and today we're looking at something that I'm pretty excited for. These are the AH45. These are headphones, but they're also Bluetooth speakers. First off, these have a 1000 milliamp hour battery, which is gonna give you 45 hours of playtime. 45 hours of playtime, that's gonna last you more than all day, obviously, because it's 24, you know what I mean? If you're gonna be using the outer speakers, you're gonna get about 10 hours of playtime. The charge time is about 3.5 hours. There are 40 millimeter drivers built into these. There's two 3-watt outer speakers, and on top of that, it's wired and wireless. So that's awesome. All right, let's just open this up. I'm too excited. My hands are shaking. Don't do that. That's dangerous. Don't stop. Go. Okay, so we got a real big, I'm guessing this is multilingual. Yeah, it's multilingual. Instruction guide, very good to have. Got a 5-foot long 3.5 millimeter cable and a 3-foot long USB to micro USB. Look at the foam on this. I think ARCHEER has definitely stepped it up a notch. Oh my goodness, look at those. These look pretty. Wow, these feel heavy duty too. Oh, there's a plastic thing for the speakers. We don't need those. Don't need those. Look at that, super cushiony at the top. Look at that. Yeah, it's like a pleather fabric. I can't tell if that's plastic or not. It feels almost like a metal. Whatever it is, it's definitely heavy duty. Now the headphones are on like a slight swivel. They extend out right there. And they do fold up, which is nice. So this is the switch between the headphones and the actual outer speaker. You hear that? Then you've got your LED light, you've got your on and off button, volume up, volume down, micro USB port, 3.5 millimeter port, and your mic. On the outer side, you've got the 3-watt speakers. Now these are more of the on-the-ear type of ear cup. They're not real big, so your ears don't go inside of it. They have a nice light squeeze. Yeah, they got some bass. With the switch of a button, we're gonna switch it to the Bluetooth speaker mode. Okay, so that's what you're hearing coming from the speakers inside. You ready? That's all the way up. So just imagine, you know, you're listening to music, your friends want to hear what you're listening to, you just set them on your neck and switch it. By doing it like that, it feels like I've got like a surround sound because they're coming from like right here. All right, let's check quality. Oh, I'm curious how they're gonna work on a phone call. That'll be interesting.
He's either screaming through a burning building or sleeping while dreaming about.
That sounds really good.
It's tough to imagine anything that can match the unnecessary.
That sounds pretty good. The back pocket test. It's not skipping. Okay, I'm gonna go try a distance test. I'll be right back. Okay, so they got a pretty good distance. I got about 35 feet and then they started cutting out, but overall, they're pretty decent. All right, let's try a phone call. It's ringing on both sides, so that's good. Hey, nothing, tried out these crazy headphones. Yeah, can you hear me okay? Clearly, no muffle, no nothing, huh? Cool. All right, I switched you over. Can you still hear me?
Yeah, you sound good.
I still sound good?
Yeah.
Cool. Man, these things are awesome. Oh, I don't even have to speak.
You don't even sound like you're on speaker or anything.
I don't sound like I'm on speaker? Nice. I just turned I had you at half volume. I didn't even know it. I just turned you all the way up. Now you sound really good.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, I mean, you know. Okay, man, these things are awesome. I love the fact that you could switch it over to the Bluetooth speaker. Oh, I love that. All right, comfort-wise, they are pretty comfortable. For most of you who stick around, you know that I'm not a huge fan of the on-the-ear ear cups. These ones aren't too bad. They are nice and soft. They've got a pretty good cushion to them. They don't feel too tight on the head. I've got a big head, so if you got a smaller head than me, then these are gonna even be better for you. The top cushion is very nice. I'm definitely digging that. Highs and mids, I'm gonna give them, so this is different, right? So I mean, I've got to do headphone plus the speaker. So the volume level, it doesn't get too loud. Imagine you're standing next to like a construction site and there's somebody with a jackhammer. You're gonna hear it. It's not gonna completely block it out. The Bluetooth speaker side, it is what you would expect out of small 3-watt speakers that are built onto headphones. So the highs and mids, I'm gonna give them a 5. So 5 being average, what you would expect. The bass, I'm gonna give a 6 because it's got a little extra rumble in there I wasn't expecting out of these, and they sound pretty decent. Phone call, she said that it sounded really good. You guys heard it yourself. I gotta say, I'm really digging the idea of this. I really wish that you would see that more often. I think it's a really cool idea, especially for those who like the way wear their headphones out and about. I think they're awesome. For 45 bucks, you're getting headphones and Bluetooth speaker. And they last you like 45 hours. Anyway, guys, that is it. I'm gonna leave a link down in the description below as usual. Definitely go check them out. These things are pretty cool. But I'll leave it in your hands. But as for now, get out of here.